Hello, 7th class. Ma, you have actually got your geography period now, but because of a small adjustment, I have taken this period for today. Okay? And due to the technical problem, I could not forward this video at the time. Now, coming to this lesson, the Delhi Sultans, we are left with a small part if you remember. Ma, we have discussed about Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad bin Tughlaq. We have talked about the differences between the administration of Alauddin Khilji and the administration of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Do you remember, students? Now, today what we'll do is we'll complete this lesson by discussing the last part of the lesson, that is the Sultanate in the 15th and the 16th centuries. Okay, so what were the kingdoms which came in the 15th and the 16th centuries, we'll see. Now see here, after the administration of the Tughlaqs, there were many other dynasties like the Sayyid and the Lodi dynasties which ruled Delhi and Agra until 1526. Okay, and by that time, some other places like Jaunpur, Bengal, Malwa, Gujarat, Rajasthan and the entire South India had independent rulers who established flourishing states and prosperous capitals. So, during this 15th and the 16th centuries only, students, we see that there were the Sayyid and the Lodi dynasties which ruled in Delhi and Agra until 1526. This you understood now? At the same time, in different states, there were independent rulers who established states and had very prosperous capitals. Prosperous capitals means wealthy. Prosperous means wealthy, ma. Okay? This was also the period which saw the emergence of new ruling groups like the Afghans and the Rajputs. So, a new ruling group like the Afghans and the Rajputs also came up during this period, during 15th and the 16th century, students. Now see here we talk about one ruler, Shah Sur. Okay, and he and his administration have stood as an example to many rulers in future. Okay, ma. Now let us see about him. Shah Sur started his career as a manager of a small territory for his uncle in Bihar. So he started his career means his ruling. Okay, he started his rule in a very small territory in Bihar and defeated the Mughal emperor Humayun. So who defeated Humayun? Shah Sur. This can be an objective over here. Okay, and when was he defeated? See here, two times they had war, 1530 to 1540, 1555 to 1556. Okay. Sher Shah captured Delhi and established his own dynasty. Although the Sur dynasty ruled for only 15 years. So how many years did the Sur dynasty rule? 15 years. Who established the Sur dynasty? Shah Sur. Okay. So here, although the Sur dynasty ruled for only 15 years, it introduced an administration that borrowed elements from Alauddin Khilji and made them more efficient. So Shah Sur also was called a very good administrator, students. He took some elements of administration which were followed by Alauddin Khilji. Okay, so he started to implement some of the policies or the rules and regulations which were actually started by Alauddin Khilji. Okay, Sher Shah's administration became the model followed by the great emperor Akbar. So in the later years, this Sher Shah's administration was followed by which great emperor? Akbar, the great emperor Akbar, when he consolidated the Mughal empire. So here you have one short answer question. Write any 3 points about Shah Sur. This can be a short answer question. You have got 4 objectives. Who established the Sur dynasty? Shah Sur. How many years did the Sur dynasty rule? 15 years. From where did Shah Sur borrow elements of administration? From Alauddin Khilji. And which great ruler of India followed the administration of Shah Sur? Akbar the Great. 4 objectives you are having in this small paragraph, and you are having a 3 marks question with respect to Shah Sur. So with this, students, we are completing the lesson. We have completed the lesson, the Delhi Sultans. Okay ma? The notes will be forwarded to you shortly. Okay.